Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Conversation 1, saya sebagai student 1.
Dan saya sebagai student 2.
Do you often visit libraries?
Yes, I visit libraries quite regularly. I find the be peaceful and conducive to studying or reading in quiet environment. Libraries offer a wide range of research sites that are invaluable for academic and leisure purposes.
What do you like about libraries?
What I like most about libraries is the serene atmosphere they provide. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the book, research, or any form of learning without distraction. Additionally, libraries often have knowledgeable libraries who can assist you in finding the right materials for your needs.
How do you think libraries will change in the future?
I believe libraries will continue to evolve in response to technology advancement. While physical books will always have their place, digital research sites and books are becoming increasingly popular. Libraries may also become more community-oriented, offering various services beyond traditional lending, such as workshop, technology access, and community events.
What's your favorite section in a library?
My favorite section in a library would have to be the reference section. Each treasure trove of knowledge filled with encyclopedia, academic journal, and other reliable sources. Whenever I need in-depth information on a topic, I head straight to the reference section.
Do you think libraries are important for the student?
Absolutely. Libraries are incredibly important for students. They provide access to a vast array of book researched materials and online research sites that can greatly help in their students' aid in academic pursuits. Moreover, libraries foster a culture of learning and concentration, which can be immensely beneficial for students seeking a conducive environment for studying.
How has the internet affected the use of libraries?
The internet has undoubtedly changed the way we access information, but it has rendered library obsolete. Instead, libraries have adapted by offering online cataloging, a book, and digital research. They completed each other now, as the internet provides convenience. Will library offer the credibility and depth or information that can something be lacking online? Conversation 2, saya sebagai student 1.
Saya sebagai student 2.
How have libraries evolved over the years?
Libraries have undergone significant evolution over the years. In the past, libraries primarily housed physical books and reference material. However, with the advent of technology, libraries have embraced digital resources, e-books, and online databases. They have also transformed into community hubs offering various services like workshops, computer access, and even culture events, making them more relevant and accessibility to a broader audience.
What role do libraries play in education?
Libraries play a curricular role in education by providing a wealth of resources that supports learning. They offer access to textbooks, research material, and academic journals, making them essential for students and researchers. Moreover, libraries foster e-learning and environment by offering curated study space and knowledgeable librarians who can assist with research queries. They encourage a culture of reading and intellectual growth which is fundamental to education.
Do you think public libraries are still necessary in the digital age?
Absolutely, public libraries may and such found in the digital age. While the internet offers vast amounts of information, libraries provide a curated and reliable collection of research. They break the digital divide by offering computer access to those who might not have it home. Public libraries also serve as communication centers offering educational programs, culture events, and meeting spaces, making them indispensable in promoting learning and community engagement.
How can libraries encourage more people to use their service?
Libraries can attract more users by diversifying their service and outreach efforts. They can host workshops on digital literature, organize book clubs, and offer educational program for all groups. Uhnil libraries can create a user-friendly website and mobile apps for access to digital research. Collaboration with school and community original can also help raise awareness about the service libraries offer and encourage more people to ask them.
In your opinion, what makes a library successful?
A successful library is one that meets the diverse needs of its community. If shall have a well-curated collection of books and digital research, knowledgeable staff, and a welcoming environment. Accessibility, both physical and digital, is critical. Furthermore, a skillful library engages with its community. Their event, workshop, and educational programs, fostering a sense of belonging and encourage lifelong learning among its users.